There's a specific kind of friction remote workers know that nobody else does. It's the question you'd have asked in 5 seconds if you could just walk over to someone's desk. The whiteboard moment that turns into a Slack thread, that turns into a Zoom call. The decision made in the meeting that nobody wrote down. Most AI tools don't fix this. They speed up your typing. They speed up your writing. The 5 tools in this video are different. They replace what you lose when your team isn't in the same room as you. 5 tools. What each one solves. Honest verdict on each. This is AI for humans. Real tools. Tested. No PhD required. 5 AI tools every remote worker needs. Loom, Miro, Fireflies, Reclaim, and Notion AI. Each one solves a different problem you only notice when you're not in an office. By the end, you'll know exactly which ones to install today. Quick context before we start. Back in episode 1, we covered the 7 AI tools that save you 10 hours a week. Those were general productivity tools that work for everyone. This is narrower. Remote work has its own problems. You can't see if your colleague is busy. You can't pull someone into a quick brainstorm. You miss things you'd have caught from across a desk. The tools that fix this aren't always the most popular AI tools. They're the ones built for the way distributed teams actually work. First, Loom. Loom is the async video tool that's quietly become the office walk-up replacement. Instead of typing out a complex explanation in Slack, you record a 90-second video showing your screen and your face. The recipient watches it whenever they have time. The new AI features are what justifies it being on this list. Loom now auto-generates a title for every video you record, writes a multi-paragraph summary, and creates chaptered timestamps. Your 3-minute walkthrough comes with a TLDR built in. Your viewer can read the summary in 10 seconds, watch only the relevant chapter. There's also AI variables. Record one video, send it to 10 different people, and Loom personalizes the greeting and the recipient's name in each version automatically. Free for 25 videos. $15 a month for unlimited. Verdict: the single most useful tool on this list if your team is global. One Loom replaces the meeting that would have happened, plus the 6 follow-up questions that would have come after. Tool 2, Miro. Miro is the digital whiteboard that's been around for years. The AI features are what makes it on this list right now. Open a blank Miro board, type a prompt, sketch a customer journey for a SaaS onboarding flow, and Miro generates the complete diagram with stages, touch points, and notes. Then you and your team adjust live, together, in real time. The most useful AI feature for distributed teams is the cluster function. After a long brainstorm, Miro scans every sticky note your team added and groups them into themes automatically. The 15 minutes of post-meeting synthesis is gone. Free for 3 boards. $8 a month for unlimited. Verdict: pick this if your team does any kind of visual thinking, workflows, customer journeys, system maps. If your work is purely written, you can skip it. Tool 3, Fireflies. Fireflies is the AI meeting assistant that joins your calls, takes notes, generates summaries, and, this is the differentiator, makes every past meeting searchable. The Smart Search is the feature most people don't know about. 3 months from now, when you can't remember whether you committed to that launch date, you type launch date into Fireflies and it surfaces every meeting where it was mentioned, with the exact moment in the recording. Institutional memory for your team. It also generates action items by attendee. After the call ends, you and each attendee get a personalized list of what you specifically agreed to do. No more, wait, was that mine or yours? Free tier covers 800 minutes a month. Paid plans start at $18 for unlimited. Verdict: the closest thing to having a junior staffer take notes for every meeting you'll ever attend. If you do more than 5 meetings a week, this earns its place on day 1. Tool 4, Reclaim. Reclaim is the AI that lives between you and your calendar. You tell it what your priorities are: focus time, gym, weekly one-on-ones, deep work, and it actively defends those slots. When a meeting request comes in that conflicts with your protected focus block, Reclaim automatically negotiates. It either suggests an alternative time, moves your focus block to a different protected slot, or, for the most important meetings, accepts and rebuilds the rest of your week around it. The remote work specific feature is the time analytics. Reclaim shows you how much of your week is meetings, how much is focused work, and how that compares to your team. For remote workers without a manager watching their calendar, this is the closest thing to a self-audit. Free tier exists. Paid starts at $10 a month. Verdict: the calendar tool that finally treats focus time like a meeting that can't be moved. Most useful if your job depends on deep work that meetings keep eating. Tool 5. Notion AI. We mentioned Notion in episode 1 as a general productivity tool. The new angle here is what Notion does specifically for project visibility on a distributed team, and it does it well enough that most teams don't need a dedicated project management tool anymore. Build a project page, add a status field, add an AI auto summary block at the top. Whenever any team member updates the page, Notion AI rewrites the summary automatically. What changed? What's blocking? What's next? Your async stand-up happens by itself. Nobody types, "Here's where we are." The page stays current. The Smart Catch-up feature does the same thing across an entire workspace. You come back from vacation, click one button, and Notion summarizes everything that happened across every project while you were gone. 3 weeks of context in 2 minutes of reading. Notion AI is $10 a month on top of any Notion plan. Verdict: the project visibility layer for any team that already lives in Notion. If you don't, the dedicated tools, Linear, Asana, ClickUp, handle this differently. Worth knowing your team's existing setup before installing. 5 tools. Quick summary. Loom for async communication. Miro for visual brainstorming. Fireflies for meeting memory. Reclaim for focus protection. Notion AI for project visibility. If I could only keep 2, for most remote workers watching, it's Loom and Fireflies. The biggest gain from going remote first is replacing meetings with async video and making the meetings you do have searchable. Those 2 tools cover that completely. One thing before I go. The mistake most remote workers make is trying to recreate the office digitally. Same meeting cadence, same status updates, same office hours. The tools in this video aren't for that. They're for working differently. Replacing the meeting with the Loom. Replacing the synchronous stand-up with the Notion auto summary. Replacing the context loss with the Fireflies search. Pick 2. Install today. Run them for 2 weeks. The second one stays only if you're still using it without thinking about it. If this helped, subscribe. New tools every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. See you soon!